So this is the Canine Advantix 2 for extra large dogs. Apply 1 tube down the back, which I did within 2 hours. This is my dog's hair that fell out in clumps in his back, and it was bleeding. And then the other 2 were also sick, and this one unfortunately went into a seizure. Very scary. So I urge people, do not think this is a good product. I am unable to find an expiration date on this box to even see if it's expired. So personally, I will never ever put this on my dogs again, because now I feel awful and they are hurting for it. Terrible product.